Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open an Acura MDX trunk manually. Locate the emergency release behind the rear seats and fold the seats forward to reach it. Remove the panel cover gently with a flat tool and pull the cable or lever toward you. If the cable is stuck, wiggle it while pulling slowly. Stay calm and work methodically to avoid damaging interior panels or trim pieces. Now I will explain how to access the emergency release safely and effectively. Look for a plastic cover or carpeted flap hiding the lever or cable, then clear any cargo or obstructions. Wearing gloves, reach in and feel for the cable or lever and pull it toward you in a steady motion. If your hands cannot reach, remove a few liner clips to improve access and avoid forcing parts out of alignment. Next, I will help you troubleshoot a stuck or broken release cable with simple checks. Shine a flashlight along the cable path to look for corrosion, kinks, or disconnection points and feel for tension while a helper operates the latch from outside. For temporary access, craft a hooked rod or slim tool to pull the latch gently. If damage is obvious, plan for proper replacement rather than risking further breakage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.